Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to create a demo trading account on TradingView, so you can practice trading without risking any real money. If this helps you, hit like so more traders can find it. First, you need to log in or sign up for a free TradingView account. If you don't have one yet, click sign up and enter your information. If you already have an account, just log in as usual. Once you're logged in, go to the main page and scroll to the bottom where you'll see the trading panel. Click on it to open the panel and access all the trading tools. In the trading panel, look for the option called Paper Trading. This activates your demo account and lets you trade with virtual money. Click Connect, and you're ready to start trading in simulated markets. You can also adjust the initial balance and leverage of your demo account. By default, it starts with $100,000. But if you want, tap the settings icon next to your account name. Go to Trading Settings and change the balance or leverage to whatever you like. TradingView also lets you customize how your positions, trade history, and orders are displayed. In the trading settings, you can enable or disable the options you prefer so your chart looks exactly how you want it, and that's it. Now you can practice trading on TradingView with no financial risk. Test your strategies and gain confidence before using real money. If this helped you, make sure to hit subscribe. Leave a comment if you want more beginner-friendly TradingView tutorials, and don't forget to like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.